It is Timmy. Hope you're having a good Saturday morning. The project of the day is, so I finally got these Kooks Street Performance headers in for the Corvette, the C8 Z06, and I have decided I'm just going to try and do it. I have all the equipment to do it. It's just going to be a little bit of a challenge. There's really no instructions on how to do this. Seen a couple YouTube videos. There's a guy named Brandon. He did his. He did a pretty good video on some of the challenges he had. Anywho, if you know me, you know I like a challenge, and so it's going to be a fun day. It's really not that hard, from what I understand, to get the bolts to get them off if you have a lift. And guess what? I don't have. I have a lift. I have 2 floor jacks. I have jack stands. I'm not too worried about getting it lifted. You know, you've seen some of the other mods I've done on the car. But let me show you what I'm working with. So there's the headers. That's one of them. Let's go back over here to the engine side of the vehicle. And let me show you what I'm dealing with here. So this is the factory header right here. And it's a little warm. I just moved the car. And if you look down in there, there is zero room to get this header off from the top of the car. So what that means is that you got to go climb underneath, and there's an access hole in the lower side of the car because the whole entire floor of the car underneath is metal paneling. That's for, you know, airflow and performance, to keep the surfaces smooth. And so that's going to be fun. That's the hard side from what I understand it. I'll come over here and show you the easy side. I'm using the word easy. And if you look here, you can see the hole that I'm talking about down there. I don't know if you can kind of see the light shining through down below. There's the hole. Now, in order to do this, you got to take these braces off. Obviously, there's a sensor here. That's really it. You got to detach it from the new, you got to detach the header from the, that's still warm from moving it, and the straight pipes or the cat deletes that are on there. I did have a problem with the cat deletes. They're throwing a check engine light, COL, and I found that you can get a extension to the O2 sensor. They'll give it a little gap that'll solve that problem. So I've got those ordered. They're supposed to be here today. So I'm going to go ahead and install those as well. But the fun project of the day is to get these off and the new in. So you unbolt it from below, you take them out from the top, you put the new headers in. It's so tight, I'm going to be very cautious about scratching the headers. They're Jett Hot coated with this, what they call 2K coating. That's a super high heat. Overall, it's going to hopefully reduce the heat in the engine bay. It's going to run cooler. They won't have this protective coating over it. And when my carbon fiber panels come, I'm a little concerned about that, but we'll do some tests and things in terms of heat to see, how hot this gets. I got a surface temperature gauge that I can go run, come back, check the surface temperature of it, and kind of see where we are. And so anyway, that's the project for the day. I'll send some updates. I got to get the tires broke loose, jack it up, put it on jack stands, and I'm going to start from the hard side first. I'm going to do the most difficult side. From what I understand from watching that guy Brandon, it makes a glorified mess because you got some cooling lines up here that you're going to have to disassemble. They're going to have to come out of the way. I'm hoping I don't have to take that big cooling line off right there. And I'm sure that is a glorified mess. This one will definitely probably be in the way, but I can work with that. So anywho, hope everybody has a good rest of your Saturday. And this is my project for today. I hope everybody has a good one. I'll talk to you soon. I'll keep you posted. Cheers.